Hi there traders, welcome to Elite Currency. My name is Chris and today an update again on the euro dollar and pound dollar. Big, strong bearish momentum, but will support basically hold these currency pairs. Let's take a look right now. Price is right now in a key support zone between 121 and 122. And although the bearish momentum has been strong, we see several bearish daily candles, of course, form in the last few days. And the question is, will price bounce or break this zone? I'm expecting a bounce, but if it does break, that would indicate a likely bearish reversal and a new downtrend could start. Then this, in that case, this high right here could have been the end of the wave 5, and this is the start of a downtrend right here. All right, this was the start. This would have been a correction, and down it goes for a new downtrend. All right, that's one potential option if price breaks through the support zone, and this could be the start of a wave 3 of probably a bigger wave C, because ultimately I'm expecting more upside on the euro dollar in the long term. But if price does bounce here, then this could also easily be a correction. This could be one correction, this could be the second correction as indicated in the last video, and this could be the third correction, and that could complete a wave 4. Why? Because this also looks like pretty much a corrective sideways movement, and this could be a consolidation zone. When the wave 4 ends, up it could go for a wave 5. So very important is how price will respond to this support zone. Is there going to be bullish momentum? Is there going to be a V-valley reversal followed by a hook back and upside? Then yes, a bullish reversal, or actually I should say a bullish wave 5, wave 4-5 pattern does seem to be likely in that case. So let's see how price responds. This could be either basically an ABC correction, if it is within the wave 4, as mentioned already before, and or it is starting a new trend. So let's take a look at the 4-hour chart to see if we can get any clues about that. And the 1-hour chart, there we go. And so far, not yet. Price is at 121.80, 122. Difficult to say. You can see that there is some struggle at this moment around this long-term moving average. It's difficult. We have to wait for price action really to break through it. So that would mean on the daily chart, a clear daily candle close below 120.125, 121 like this. All right, well, that would indicate a break. And we can look at lower time frames for flags, patterns, and continuation breakouts. Or, for instance, if today's daily candle ends up bullish, that would indicate a bounce. Or on a 4-hour chart, perhaps if we see another pin bar or a bullish engulfing twin, those are all signs that there is some reaction in terms of candlestick patterns to the support zone, and we could see a bounce higher. Now, then it will depend on how price moves up. What I'm looking for is 5 waves to the upside to signal a wave 1. All right, and then a 3-wave down to signal a wave 2. In that case, upside is likely, and the bullish breakout would indicate the start of a wave 3. That's very important. Not only bullish engulfing twins, bullish candlestick patterns in this support zone, but how does price move up? Is it in 5 waves? If not, if it's a 3-wave pattern, then that could actually not be that good for the bulls, and that could indicate more bearishness perhaps. All right, so that's very important pattern that we're looking for if price does bounce in this zone. All right, pound dollar, basically, let me switch the template here quickly. In a 5-wave, made a lot of downside. As I said, price does not have to bounce at the 140. I was already talking about it. You know, it could break through that, just extend the bearish momentum lower, and that's what it did. It fell all the way to close to 139. So a lot of pressure here on the pound dollar, and there could be one more lower low. This could be a wave 4. Down it goes for one more lower low, creates more divergence, and then we get the bigger ABC correction to correct or retrace this swing. All right, in that case, when we get the bullish retracement, we will put a fib from top to bottom. At this moment, the bottom is here, so let's do that. But of course, if we get a lower low, we'll move this fib lower. And turning spots for this wave 2 or B, because this is looking like a wave 1 or A, typical 50, 61.8 fib, maybe 78.6 fib. Those are levels to think about, and we're looking for a 3-wave pattern to the upside. So price could go to 38, 3-wave pattern down, up, hit the 61.8, and then start falling again. All right, that would be the ABC correction that would make sense in this regard. But before we might get that, we have to keep an eye on this pattern right now. If it makes a flag, one more lower low would not be that strange at all. All right, because this could be a wave 3, up it goes for wave 4, and down for wave 5. So for the moment, we can put it from here to here. This looks like a wave 1, 2. This looks like an extended wave 3. If this is a wave 4, it could hit the 23.6 fib at about 140, maybe the 38.2 fib at around 140.70. Those could still be turning spots for a wave 4, down for wave 5 to complete that wave 1 or A. So if price makes a flag or hits this 23.6 fib, it could still be one more lower low. But if price is showing a lot of bullish momentum, by the way, then that bigger ABC retracement is starting to become a little bit more likely. So here too, price action, what kind of patterns are available and will appear on the chart. Very important to see if it's an A of the bigger ABC, or is it a bear flag and price is going sideways like this, very choppy and corrective price action, and a break of that bear flag, of course, we could see the continuation of a wave 5 and the completion of a wave 4. So that's a key kind of pattern we're keeping an eye on in this zone. On a higher time frame, by the way, price did have a solid break below the 21 EMA, so any pullback eventually now or later on could run into these 21 EMAs and find a bouncing spot for a continuation down to the long-term moving average and perhaps beyond that as well. But that would be the first target to think about for the long term. And regarding the wave 5 target, by the way, minus 272 target is always a good one to aim for. That is around 138.10, as you can see, of this wave 5. All right, hope this video helps your trading. Check out, of course, elitecurrency.com for more free analysis, and wish you all good trading. Cheers.